Discover Shikoku, Japan's hidden summer paradise. In Kagawa, taste the world-famous Sanuki udon and explore the historic Kodohira Shrine. Ehime invites you to relax in Dogo Onsen, stroll through citrus orchards, and admire Matsuyama Castle. In Tokushima, join the vibrant Awa Odori Dance Festival and marvel at the mesmerizing Naruto whirlpools. Kochi offers fresh Katsuo cuisine, serene Shimanto River, and breathtaking Pacific beaches. Shikoku, your ultimate summer adventure in Japan.
Enjoy Japan at www.sakuratv.com.